Hi, Dan Hopper with Remax Alliance with the Stop Foreclosure Institute of Westminster, Colorado. Coming to you today, just a quick comment on the blogs that we've been seeing all week long. They're talking about some of the credit bureaus, the debt collection companies calling you and so forth. And wanted to just briefly discuss about the one as it pertains to strategically defaulting. What do we mean by strategically defaulting? In most cases, when I'm talking to potential clients and customers, it really pertains to those people that are very upset with the way the market conditions have taken place. And all of a sudden, somebody that owns a property at 400,000 now, because of the market, they're paying on a property worth 400,000, but somebody else is buying it for 300,000. So they're upset that, in essence, they think they're paying more on a property, and that's $100,000 more on their debt versus somebody coming in today and buying that same property because of the drop in the market. So what happens is they go off and they stop making mortgage payments. And what happens? Well, they start to get into this foreclosure process and so on. The thing you got to watch out, the credit bureau companies understand this. They're not stupid, so they will start looking at people's credit. It's odd that if somebody has perfect 700 FICO scores and above, and then all of a sudden they're not paying the house payment, but they're still paying the credit cards, the car payment, and all those things. So you have to be real careful about what you're doing. The credit bureau companies are not stupid. So if this person is in that situation, you have to be honest about what you're doing. You're probably better off going to the bank and trying to negotiate a different interest rate or trying to negotiate something less. But choosing foreclosure as your option may not be the wisest thing to do. You don't want a foreclosure on your record. Remember, in some circumstances today, if you have a foreclosure, it will stick on the credit for 7 years, and it may impact your ability to obtain a new home loan for 7 years. Some circumstances you can probably get loans through other ways, FHA and so forth, a little bit sooner. But the reality is, a lot of banks still don't have that overlay that's with the finance world. Fannie Mae's pretty much really strong about it. If you've foreclosed, it's going to take 7 years before they'll give you another home loan. So again, that's just not the right way to handle this. There's better approaches to try to make your situation better, but trying to do this strategic defaulting is not the wisest thing. Anyway, just wanted to just briefly discuss that. I hope you guys have a great weekend coming up, and I look forward to talking to you on our next week blog. You take care. Thank you.